Women want mediocre men, and men are working to be as mediocre as possible. Britons put up with, Americans fix, Canadians cope. As long as any adult thinks that he, like the parents and teachers of old, can become introspective, invoking his own youth to understand the youth before him, he is lost. You just have to learn not to care about the dusty mites under the beds. It is a very doubtful value to enlist the gifts of a woman into fields that have been defined as male. It frightens the men, unsexes the women, and muffles and distorts the contribution women could make. We end up with the contradictory picture of a society that appears to throw its doors wide open to women, but translates her every step towards success as having been damaging. Contentment can be bought at a price that one cannot possibly pay. It is typical, in America, that a person's hometown is not the place where he is living now but is the place he left behind. Creationism, the theory that Rome was built in a day. I devoutly believe that there is no difficulty between two people for which both are not responsible. Once any group in society stands in a relatively deprived position in relation to other groups, it is genuinely deprived,